Here we are drawing the common law. The length was 18 and the width 7. As each square equals 1 meter.
We were doing a non-fiction book on addition, subtraction, and multiplication, and we just Sergio said that we could write about the history of addition, where it comes from, and some strategies. That's mostly what we wrote about. Ancient Egyptians, Mayans, Babylonians, and Indians invented the number 0.
So what strategies from class have you used in your non-fiction story? What understanding in math?
And from our class, I think we were going to do for algorithm and multiplication, we were going to do the place value chart that we learned in class. And yeah.
Ready, set, go!
What are you doing?
I am playing Pokemon TCG.
Why is it? How is it math related?
You see here that X-Ball does 20 damage times the amount of energy attached to this Pokemon. So it's multiplication by 20, and on this card it's subtraction by 30 from 180.
Yep, thank you.
You have to ask a question.
What game are you playing?
I'm Mr. D. We're playing basketball.
Does it have anything to do with math?
Yes, it does.
How?
Well, when you shoot the ball into the basket, it can count for 2 points, 3, or sometimes 1. And you have to add the score up to see who wins the game.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, now it's fine.
Just kidding. Their ball.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you playing?
Baseball.
And does it have anything to do with math?
Yes. When you're at the points, you have to add up the points to find out the total score.
Thank you. Hi.
Hi.
What are you guys doing?
We're playing tetherball. You want to see? What does this have to do with math?
Does it have anything to do with math?
Well, kind of, because you have to... Okay, no, it doesn't.
And cut! That was the worst thing I've ever seen.
Tornado What game are you playing?
I'm playing a game where we're basically running around and, well, it's basically like tag.
What math is in this game?
No, I can't stop it. I'm going to slow it down and make it faster. I touched slow it down. You can make everything.
I can't see any right now. I don't see any math in this game.